How to fix we could not save your design in Canva. This issue can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you are in the middle of creating something important. Here is a quick guide to troubleshoot and fix this problem. So let's dive in. A weak or unstable internet connection is one of the most common reasons Canva fails to save designs. Ensure your connection is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or try restarting your router. A strong and stable connection is essential for Canva to save your work correctly. Sometimes a quick refresh is all you need. Reload the Canva page by clicking the refresh button in your browser or pressing F5 on a keyboard. If that doesn't work, try closing Canva completely and reopening it in a new browser tab. Old cache and cookies can interfere with Canva's ability to save your designs. Clear your browser's cache and cookies by going to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data and selecting cache and cookies. Restart your browser and try saving your design again. Some browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can conflict with Canva's saving process. Try disabling extensions temporarily to see if this resolves the issue. If Canva still won't save a design, try saving a copy. Click on File, Save a Copy to create a duplicate of a design. Sometimes the new copy saves without issue, allowing you to continue your work. Next up, what you can do is check the Canva server status. Visit websites like Down Detector or Canva's official status page to check if other users are reporting similar problems. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is log out and log in back. This can refresh your session and fix saving errors. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the "we could not save a design" error in Canva and keep your creative process flowing smoothly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.